Hello everyone. Today we will see about line chart and the importance of line chart in Power BI. So as you know, line chart is one of the basic charts in visualization. So most of the visualization we will use line chart. So basically when you see that these charts itself we can make out of a line chart. In one axis there will be a time constraint, on the other axis there will be a measure. So this is one of the basic charts in visualization. It is used to show the measure value against time period. So here one axis, that is x-axis, there will be the time period. Time period means the year, the month, the quarter, and the other axis, the y-axis, there will be the measure. So we can use a couple of values, more than one values in the axis across, so that we can compare the values. For example, you can select the total sales and the total product cost, and we can compare it with respect to the years. The years you can compare it with respect to the months, or compare it with respect to the quarter. You can drill through the graphs, you drill through the chart. Because initially it will be year, you can drill through and you can get the quarter, month, day, etc. So there is another feature in the analytics side, so that we can use trend line. So which way the trend is going? Usually the trend should go up, so it will show how the trend is going, and at the same time you can get the minimum value or the maximum value. Say minimum value is this line, the maximum value is this line. You can get the average or median also. Another wonderful thing in analytics side is about the forecast. So now we have only till the data we have only is till 2021, and if the trend goes like this, how the data will be, how the total sales or how the total quantity will be for 2022. How we can see is through forecast. To just give one point in the forecast and it will show 2022 sales also. It won't show the exact point, it will show a vague idea like this is exactly the forecast line chart. So it will show just the just the values nearby, the minimum and maximum value it will show. It will the data, the cost will come in this range. It is showing like that. So we will try to check how the line chart is being drawn. So I have a data of life science, and I'm planning to get the sales, not sales. I'm planning to get the total quantity. Total quantity, I have already written the measure and I have kept it, and I have taken the total quantity with respect to date. Date also I have created the table, and I have the relationship with the purchase date. I have already done these things. So now I am putting the date. So here, see, this is the line chart and this is the date, and this is the measure, how the value is being shown. We can put the data labels on to the exact value how it is going on. So at the same time, now we are seeing only one measure. At the same time, you can put multiple measure to check how it is different. So I don't have any measure, but I have the price. I'll just click on the price. Price column I have put it. Definitely it will be the sum here. So here we can find out how in these years the sum and the price and the total quantity has been going, and exact y-axis, both the sides it is showing the units, and you can go to the next level. Next level means, okay, you can get a more detailed view about the quarters, how it is going, and you can go higher, like how the month, how it is going, at the same time the day also, and come back. So line chart is basically used for this. Another good thing about lines, okay, this let it be here. So one more line chart we can use with respect to certain categories. You can compare certain categories with respect to this line chart, and for that what we can do is that we can take the line chart and we can get the date, we can get the total quantity, and with respect to the mode environment. With respect to the environment, this environment, okay, I am putting it in the as a legend. So there are three environments are there: air, water, and land. So with respect to air, water, and land, how the total sales have been done. You can get the complete detail about that. And if you select the data labels one, you can get the exact number of it. And like this, we can measure how much, which value is more, like with respect to the color, we can make out this is the land and it is having the highest in 2020. And like that, you can compare it. At the same time, when you go here, you have the analytics side also. So in the analytics side, as we have seen, you can create the trend also, just add the trend line. And when you add the trend line, you can see, okay, the trend is going like this, even though the quantity of land is higher, the other two quantities are lower. So the trend will be in between only, definitely. At the same time, we have seen the trend, and we can, which is having the minimum one. See, the minimum line has been up here and it is showing the minimum one. And we have the max line also, maximum line also. And this is the maximum, of course, we have discussed about it. The what land is having the maximum. Even the average is also there. So this will be the average of it. So like this analytic side, lots of values we can find out through this. We don't need to write any formulas or anything like that. We just wanted to select it, give it, you will get the result. Now, so one difference we can see here, we are having multiple multiple categories, and because of that you are getting some, but certain options you are not getting. That we can see what options you are not getting, because we have already discussed about this forecast we are not seeing here. That is because we have multiple categories. If we have only one measure, we will be getting the forecast also. So I'll put on the date, and I'll put on the total quantity. So here we got the date on the total quantity, and we have the measure with respect to the year till 2021. And if suppose if we wanted to see like this, if we go how in 2022, how the quantity will be, or how the sales will be, just go on to the analytics site. Here you see, now since it is single measure, you are going to get forecast also. Just add the forecast, and here we are seeing 10 points. These points are with respect to these values. So 10 and all, I don't think it will come properly. The forecast won't be correct. So if you write 2 points, if you give apply, 2 points means the next 2 years. So the value will be in between this. Compute the 1. And the value will be like this. So forecast is also very good thing for using in a line chart, because most of the analytics we can forecast also for the next year, for the coming years. So lots of other things are also which you can explore it. If you have any doubt, you can comment it below, or otherwise if you need more clarification, you can comment it below. If I have done something wrong, also you can comment it below. The next day I will be coming with another topic. Have a nice day. Thank you.